Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a jelly recipe made with watermelon. I'm using Agar Agar powder to set this jelly. This recipe has absolutely no added color. The beautiful red comes naturally from the watermelon. Kids will definitely love it. So give it a try at home and let me know how it turned out. Let's get into the recipe. I took a medium-sized watermelon, cut it in half and used just one half for this jelly. Scoop out the flesh and scrape the sides nicely as shown in the video because we will be using the watermelon rind as the mold for our jelly. That way it looks just like a real watermelon when it is set. Blend the watermelon flesh and strain the juice to remove any pulp. After straining, I got 2 cups of watermelon juice. This measurement will help you know exactly how much agar agar and sugar to add. I am using agar agar powder in this recipe, but you can also use strands if that is what you have. Transfer the juice into a saucepan and add 1 teaspoon of agar agar powder. Mix thoroughly until there are no lumps. Then add sugar. I'm adding 1 tablespoon since my watermelon is already very sweet, but you can adjust according to taste. Switch on the stove and bring the juice to a boil. Continue cooking until the agar agar and sugar dissolve completely. After 10 minutes, you will notice the juice turning a brighter red and becoming slightly thicker. At this stage, you can add 1 teaspoon of lime juice for a nice tangy flavor. This step is optional. Turn off the stove and immediately pour the hot juice into the prepared watermelon rind. Let it cool at room temperature for a while before transferring it to the refrigerator. Chill for 2 to 3 hours or until the jelly is well set. Now let's check how watermelon jelly turned out. Wow, it's perfectly set. The texture is smooth and silky and it looks just like a real watermelon. I added chia seeds to mimic the watermelon seeds and it came out so well. Carefully slice it and your watermelon jelly is ready to serve. Smooth, silky and made with no artificial colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes and travel videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one.